Hello, digital pioneers. Today, we're journeying into the future of cryptocurrency. We're going to delve into how crypto is shaping the digital era, transforming the way we interact online. We'll also explore the rise of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, and how they signify a shift in traditional finance's approach to digital assets. Lastly, we'll touch on the intersection of cryptocurrency and sustainability as the industry moves towards greener practices. With the latest trends and predictions for 2023, this is your guide to the future of digital currencies. Prepare to dive in. Cryptocurrencies are not just digital assets, they're reshaping our financial systems. Picture the world of finance as an old, grand ship, cruising along established trade routes. Suddenly, cryptocurrencies appear on the horizon like a fleet of nimble, high-speed vessels. They're disrupting the status quo, and the old ship has to change course. In 2023, we're likely to see epic battles over crypto regulation. Governments worldwide are grappling with the implications of this digital revolution. Some fear a loss of control, while others see potential for innovation, economic growth, and financial inclusion. There will be clashes, negotiations, breakthroughs, and setbacks. The outcomes could bolster the core principles of cryptocurrencies, such as decentralization and privacy, or they could impose more restrictions. But the crypto revolution isn't just about challenging the old systems, it's also about building new ones. The digital era is seeing the rise of Web3 platforms, which promise to redefine our online interactions. Web3 is the next generation of the internet, where users have control over their data and can interact directly with each other without intermediaries. Imagine social media without the social media company. Instead of logging into a platform owned by a corporation, you log into a decentralized network owned by everyone. You're not the product being sold to advertisers. You're a participant, a stakeholder. You can earn tokens for contributing content, and you can use those tokens to influence the network's rules and development. These are not just dreams or theories, they're happening right now. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, and decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, are just a few examples of how cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are already transforming the digital landscape. Web3 platforms are likely to grow and evolve rapidly in 2023. We're moving towards a future where crypto isn't just about speculation. It becomes integral to meaningful social experiences, underpinned by interoperable identities and on-chain social graphs. In the digital era, cryptocurrencies are much more than just digital money. They're tools for creating new forms of social organization, new ways of interacting online, and new economic models. They're part of a broader shift towards a more decentralized, participatory, and equitable internet. We're at the dawn of a new era, and the journey ahead is exciting, uncertain, and full of potential. As we continue to explore this new world, remember that the future is not something that just happens to us. It's something we create together. So let's keep learning, experimenting, and shaping the role of cryptocurrency in the digital era. And we're moving towards a future where crypto isn't just about speculation, but becomes integral to meaningful social experiences. The traditional financial world is responding to the crypto revolution with the emergence of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. Central banks around the globe are now exploring, and in some cases, even implementing, their own digital currencies. This represents a significant shift in the approach of traditional financial institutions towards digital assets, and it's a trend we can expect to accelerate in 2023. So, what exactly are CBDCs? Central bank digital currencies are a type of digital money, but unlike most cryptocurrencies, they are issued and regulated by a country's central bank. They represent a digital form of a nation's fiat currency like the dollar or the euro, and are backed by the full faith and credit of the issuing country. This means they have the same legal status and value as their physical counterparts. One of the main reasons for the rise of CBDCs is the recognition of the potential benefits that digital currencies can bring to the economy. They can provide faster and more efficient payment systems, reducing the cost and time of transactions. They could also potentially increase financial inclusion by providing access to digital money for those who are currently unbanked or underbanked. On a broader scale, CBDCs could also play a crucial role in the modernization of financial systems. They could facilitate the integration of smart contracts, allowing for programmable money and automated transactions. This could open up a whole new world of possibilities, from simplifying cross-border payments to enabling new types of financial services. But it's not just about the benefits. CBDCs also represent a way for governments to maintain control in the rapidly evolving world of digital finance. With the rise of cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance, or DeFi, central banks are facing the challenge of maintaining monetary stability and ensuring financial integrity in a landscape that is increasingly decentralized and borderless. CBDCs could provide a tool for central banks to maintain their role as stewards of the economy while adapting to the digital age. There are, of course, challenges and concerns associated with CBDCs. Issues around privacy, security, and technological readiness are all significant hurdles that need to be addressed. Moreover, the impact of CBDCs on the financial ecosystem, and particularly on commercial banks, is still a topic of intense debate. Despite these challenges, the rise of CBDCs seems inevitable. A recent survey by the Bank for International Settlements found that 86% of the world's central banks are actively researching the potential for CBDCs, and many are already in the advanced stages of development. This suggests that the landscape of digital currencies is about to get a lot more diverse and interesting. CBDCs are seen as a way for governments to harness the benefits of digital currency technology while maintaining regulatory control. As we move into 2023 and beyond, the rise of CBDCs could be a game changer in the world of digital finance. It's a space we'll be watching closely, so stay tuned for more insights and developments in this exciting area of cryptocurrency. The environmental impact of cryptocurrencies, especially concerning energy-intensive mining processes, is a hot topic. It's no secret that traditional crypto mining, particularly for Bitcoin, requires a substantial amount of energy. In fact, some estimates suggest that Bitcoin mining alone consumes more energy annually than some countries. This has led to widespread criticism and concern about the sustainability of cryptocurrencies. But the industry is not standing still, and it's certainly not deaf to these concerns. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts and developers are actively seeking ways to reduce the environmental footprint of their operations. We're seeing a concerted move towards more sustainable practices, with many in the industry exploring greener alternatives. One of these alternatives is the shift from proof-of-work models to more energy-efficient systems like proof-of-stake. In layman's terms, proof-of-work is a system where miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems to add a new block to the blockchain. This process is highly energy-intensive, and with the increasing popularity of cryptocurrencies, it's only set to consume more energy. On the other hand, proof-of-stake is a consensus mechanism where the creator of a new block is chosen based on their stake or ownership of coins in the network. It's a less energy-consuming process, as it eliminates the need for vast amounts of computational power. This transition to proof-of-stake models is already underway, with Ethereum, one of the largest cryptocurrencies, planning to make the shift. Moreover, we're seeing a rise in the development of green cryptocurrencies, which are specifically designed to be environmentally friendly. These cryptocurrencies aim to offset their carbon footprint through various means, such as donating a portion of transaction fees to renewable energy projects. In addition, blockchain technology itself is being harnessed for sustainability efforts. It's being used to track carbon emissions, verify renewable energy generation, and even incentivize environmentally friendly practices. The focus is not just on reducing the carbon footprint of crypto operations, but also on making the blockchain ecosystem more eco-friendly. This includes everything from the energy sources used in mining operations to the lifecycle management of digital assets. It's clear that the narrative around cryptocurrencies and sustainability is changing. The industry is evolving, and with this evolution comes a greater focus on environmental responsibility. The journey to a more sustainable cryptocurrency industry may be challenging, but it's a journey that's necessary and, most importantly, already underway. The focus is on reducing the carbon footprint of crypto operations and making the blockchain ecosystem more eco-friendly. As we move forward into 2023 and beyond, we can expect to see more innovation and commitment to sustainability in the crypto world. After all, the future of finance is not just digital, it's also green. In 2023 and beyond, the world of cryptocurrency is set to evolve in remarkable ways. We've seen how it's reshaping our digital era, the emergence of central bank digital currencies, and the focus on sustainability. The future of digital currencies is dynamic and promising. As we journey through this change, being informed and adaptable is key. With every passing day, we're stepping into a new era of digital finance. Stay tuned for more updates and keep your eyes on the ever-evolving horizon of the crypto world.